Hey guys, my name is Marlo. We're gonna get started with this carrot juice with strawberries. We're using all organic materials here. So we got organic carrots, organic strawberries. We're gonna blend everything in this blender here. Who knew that these ingredients go together, but they do. So we're gonna get started with this delicious drink. So let's go. So we're gonna get started with this carrot and strawberry juice. So what's important is that we're gonna cut off the tops of these carrots here, and not to forget that these green tops can be used for later, for like a green drink for tomorrow. If you continue to follow my channel, I'll show you how to make a green drink with these green tops here. But we're gonna cut off the tops of the strawberries real fast. But this is an excellent way to get your day started, get all those vitamins and minerals in your body. I remember through trial and error, I was just mixing anything together when I first got my blender. And what's important to know is not everything goes together. So you need to realize that. But just one good tip to know what goes good together. Go look at your favorite juice bars or your favorite smoothie shops and look at their menus. And you'll look at the ingredients that goes together with certain juices, and you'll know what goes good together. But I got lucky. I just, through trial and error, just throwing things together, and I realized that these carrots and strawberry juices are phenomenal. So we're just going to add these in the blender. And what's important to know is your sweetener. You have to have a sweetener. Well, you don't have to have a sweetener, but if you want it to intensify the taste, I'm going to use these organic dates, pitted dates. There's no seeds inside. But if you don't have dates, you can use pure cane sugar, and you're just going to add 2 teaspoons. That's it. Make sure it's non-GMO. 2 teaspoons to your blender. All right, so we're going to get started. So what I'm going to do is add 10 strawberries. There's already 4 inside, so 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we have our organic carrots. They're usually smaller than normal carrots that are being sold. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we have filtered water here. I'm going to do 2 cups. Everyone's different. If you want it less watered down, you use obviously less water, but I like to use 2 cups so I can make 2 drinks. So we have these dates here. Not everyone's going to have these dates, so don't forget 2 teaspoons of pure cane sugar, or you can use stevia. But dates are very healthy for you. They got high magnesium and potassium and fiber and copper. So 1, 2, 3. They're very sweet. That's why I'm only putting 3. So all the ingredients is inside. So if you want to serve this drink slightly chilled, just add a tad of crushed ice, just a tad. Just barely like half of a hand. I like to serve mine over ice, but everyone's different. So we're going to put the top on. And what I'm using is a Vitamix blender. I know these Vitamixes are expensive, but there's a copycat on the market that's, I think it's more powerful than the Vitamix. And it's only like $150, somewhere in that range. But I'll put a link in the description so you guys can find it. So I like to start off the blender off really slow. I don't go real too powerful. So. So what's good about using a powerful blender? It involves all the pulp, all the ingredients and fibers in the juice. So I'm going to pour it right here. And I tell you guys, this drink is so delicious. It is so good. So I highly recommend you try to use this. And it's perfect, guys. So good. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys subscribe.